we'll guide you through how to adjust line spacing in Google Docs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Docs in your web browser and navigate to the document where you want to change the line spacing. Once your document is open, look at the top menu and click on the Format option. From the drop-down menu, hover over Line Spacing. Here, you'll see several options: single, 1.15, 1.5, and double. If you want a standard single spacing, select Single. For a bit more breathing room, you can choose 1.15 or 1.5, and if you need lots of space, double is your choice. If none of these options fit your needs, you can click on Custom Spacing at the bottom of the Line Spacing menu. A new dialog box will pop up, where you can specify the exact line spacing by entering a number into the line spacing field. This is perfect if you have specific requirements for your document. After setting your preferred spacing, click Apply to see the changes take effect immediately in your document. Remember, adjusting line spacing can make your text easier to read or fit certain formatting guidelines, so it's a handy skill to have. You can always go back and change the spacing if you need to make further adjustments. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.